Savory ground meat tofu rice bowl, Mapo Dofu Don. $90 of rice, Japanese short grain or California rice. Wash the rice and drain. Add 120 ml water to the washed rice. Add a half tablespoon of sake to cook the rice deliciously. Mix well and cook the rice. One clove of garlic, add more to taste. Finely chop. $20 of green onions. The green onions in the video are thick, but thin ones are fine. Finely chop. $150 of tofu. Any firmness is fine, but firm tofu is recommended as it doesn't break apart easily. Cut the well-drained tofu into bite-sized pieces. Half teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of Japanese soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sake or white wine, 2 teaspoons of sweet bean sauce or miso plus a pinch of sugar plus a dash of Japanese soy sauce. Mix well until the seasonings are combined. $70 ml water, 2 teaspoons of sake or white wine, half teaspoon of somi shantan or your favorite bouillon or stock, half teaspoon of Japanese soy sauce, half teaspoon of sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of your favorite miso. Hachou miso is recommended. A dash of white pepper. Mix well. Half teaspoon of chopped garlic. Store-bought garlic paste is fine. Half teaspoon of ginger paste. Half tablespoon of chili bean sauce or miso plus cayenne pepper plus a pinch of salt. Half teaspoon of chili oil. Two teaspoons of cooking oil. Mix well. One tablespoon of potato starch, 1 tablespoon of water. Mix well to make a potato starch slurry. Bring water to a boil in the pot. Add a little salt to the water. Add the tofu cut into bite-sized pieces. This process prevents the tofu from breaking apart and helps it absorb the flavor better. Boil for about 2 minutes, then drain in a strainer. Half teaspoon of cooking oil. Heat a fry pan. 60 grams of ground pork or ground beef. Stir fry until cooked through. Add the seasoned ground meat sauce made earlier. Simmer until the liquid has evaporated. The seasoned ground meat is ready. Next, add the spicy aromatic paste made earlier without washing the pan. Warm over low heat. Cook until the garlic is lightly cooked and becomes fragrant. Next, add the sauce mixture made earlier. Add the seasoned ground meat. Add the chopped green onions. Warm over medium heat. Add the tofu cut into bite-sized pieces. Simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the potato starch slowly, little by little. Do not add it all at once. Simmer over high heat and stop adding it once it reaches your desired thickness. Simmer for 1 to 2 more minutes and it's done. Top the steamed rice with the tofu and meat. Sprinkle with chopped green onions to taste. Sprinkle with Sichuan pepper or Japanese pepper. It's optional. 今日の料理は麻婆豆腐丼でした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.